Good afternoon, all of you. Now we discussed how we divide a number by a single digit number. Okay, if it is a 4-digit number or 5-digit number, that number how we can divide by a single digit number. That is, if a 1-digit number, that we find out, it is easy. Now next we want to discuss how we divide a number by a 2-digit number like that. Okay, so when we divide this number by a 2-digit number, that we don't know, this multiplication table we didn't study, 78, and if it is 32, 65 like that, multiplication table we don't know, so it will be some difficult comparing the division by 1 digit. So here we can use an easy method or a short method for finding this quotient. So first we are dividing these given numbers, that is rounding the given numbers. Dividend here it is 8356 and the divisor is 78. That two numbers we are rounding to nearest 10. Okay, so when we round this number to nearest 10, what we will get 8356. When we round to nearest 10, we will get 8360. Okay, and 78 when we round to nearest 10, we will get 80. So we just find out this approximated answer if we are dividing these numbers by 80. So that will be easy because we know it will be easy. This multiplication we can find out its multiples. 1 into 80 is 80, 2 into 80 will be 160 like that, because if you know the table of 8, then it will be easy to find the table of 80 also. Okay, only you want to add 1 0 in the last. So if we divide this, now we get 83 divided by 80, that we know it is, there will be only 180 in 83, and its quotient we write 1, then 1 into 80, 80, and when we subtract we will get 3, then bring down 6. Now the number is 6. In 36 can you divide by 80? No, that's not possible, so we insert 1 0 here. After that bring down the next 0. Now we know the table of, when we know the table of 8, 1 into 8, 8, 2 into 8, 16, 3 into 8, 24, 4 into 8, 32, and 5 into 8 is 40. So if 4 into 8 is 32, what will be the answer of 4 into 80? That will be 320. Okay, now if 4 into that is 80, next 5 into 8, 5 into 8 we know that is 40, and what will be 5 into 80, and that time the answer will be 400. So what will be the division of 360 divided by 80, which we want to take? That we want to take this multiplication factor. 4 into 80 is 320. So how many 80 will be in 360? Only 4. 4 into 8, 320, and after by subtracting we will get 40. 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, now we got the answer. That is, this is the division of 8360 by 80, but actually we want to find out which division, 8356 by 78. Now first we rounded these numbers and we find out its answer, an approximated answer we got. Okay, now the actual answer, we will get this division answer, we will get just near this 104. ഏകദേശം 104 അടുത്തൊരു നമ്പർ ആവും നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ കിട്ടുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ we can start using that division. We can start here. So 83 divided by 78, what quotient we got in the first digit? Quotient first digit is 1. So almost the same number we will get in this division also. In 83, how many 78 will be there? That will be, mostly it will be 1, and 1 into 78, it is 78. Then subtract 13 minus 10. 8 minus 8 is not possible, so 13 minus 8, this will be 7. 13 minus 8 is 5. Then 7 minus 7, 0. Bring down the next number, 5. Okay, bring down this number. Now 55. 55 also we can't divide by 78. So that number will be 0. We want to put 1 0. 55 divided by 78 is not possible. So we insert 1 0 on the quotient. Here you look the same number here also. And next bring down the next number, next digit 6. Okay, now 556. Now here in this quotient, in this division, what we got the last digit 4. Okay, now we are trying, we are just to check when we multiply the 78 with 4, what answer we will get, that we can check. 78 when we multiply with 4. 4 into 8, 32, carrying 3. 7 into 4, 28 plus 3, 31. Okay, that's only not nearest to 556. So we can take one more number, that is if it is 78 into, that is not nearest to 556. So we can take another number, 78 into 6 when we take, what will be? 8 into 6, 48, carrying 4, 6 into 7, 42, 42 plus 4, 46. Okay, that also not near. So next we can multiply 78 with 8. Okay, then what will be that answer? 8 into 8 is 64, balance 6. Then 8 into 7, 56. 56 plus 6, 62. That is greater than this 556. Okay, so next we can check what will be 78 into 7. 6 we find out, that is below 556. And 78 when we multiply with the 8, we got 624. That is greater than 556. So in the middle number 6 and 8, we know one 7 is there. So when we multiply 78 with 7, 7 into 8, 56. 6 is there, 5 is balance. Okay, then 7 into 7, 49. 49 plus 1, 54. Okay, 546 we got, that is nearest to that 556, and it is just below 556. So what answer we can write here? It is 7. 7 into 78, how much? 546, and subtracting 6 minus 6, 0, 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, now what is the quotient we got here? 107. Okay, actual answer we got 107, but the approximated answer we got 104. Now it is just near that 107 and 104 is just near. So using that method we can find out the answers for dividing a number by a 2-digit number. Now we can discuss another example. Without approximating numbers also you can find out the answer, but it will be some easy method. Okay, we can find out the quotient as easily. Another example, you look 7,824. 7,824 dividing by 22. Okay, 7,824 divided by 22. Here actually we want to divide this 7,824 by 22. So before that we can find an approximated answer. Approximate answer, that is when we round this number to nearest 10, we will get 7,820. And 22 when we round to nearest 10, we will get 20. Now it is easy. How many 20 in 78? That we know. How many? 3. 3 into 20, 60. But 4 into 20 will be 80. That is more than 78. So it is not, that is not possible. So we can take 3. 3 into 20, 60. 8 minus 0, 7 minus 6, 1. Now bring down 2, 182. How many 20s are there? So we know multiples of 20. In 100, how many 20s are there? 5. Then in 140, like that you can count. Okay, so 100 in 200, that also you know. Okay, in 100, how many 20s are there? 5 20s are 100. 6 20s will be how much? 120. Then 7 20 will be 140. Then 8 20s 100, 60, 9 20 180, then 10 20 200. That multiplication we can find out easily. From this we can find out 182 divided by 20 will be how much? Okay, so that you want to take this. Okay, so it will be 9 into 20 is 180. 180, then subtract, you will get 2 minus 0 2, then bring down 0. Now in 21 how many? Not 2. In 20 divided by 20 we know that answer is, when we divide a number by the same number, the answer will be 1. 1 into 20 20, and the remainder will be 0. So we will get a almost near answer, a number we will get here also. So when we divide 78 by 22, we want to check this number. What is the first digit out here? That is 3. So we can check 22 into 3 is how much? That we can check using that number. So 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 2, 6, 66. It is less than 78. But when we take 22 with 4, what will happen? 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 4, 8. It is greater than the 78. So which answer we want to take? 3. 22 with 3. So that quotient we can write 3. Okay, then the 3 into 22, that is 66. Then subtract 8 minus 6 2, 7 minus 6 1. Okay, now bring down 2. Now 122. Now what is the answer here? The second digit is what? 9. So we just check that, multiply that 22 with 9. What will happen? How many number will be? 9 into 2, 18. Carrying 1. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 198 will get it. Okay, so that is not, that we can't take this number because it is more than 122. So next we want to multiply with a less number. If it is that much difference is there, so we can take a number not just before 9, it is 8. Then next we can take 7. Just to multiply with 7, what will happen? 7 into 2, 14. Carrying 1. 7 into 14 plus 1, 50. That also below this 100. That is 154. 22 into 7, and also greater than this 122. So next will be 22 into 4. What will happen? That is 4, not 5. We can check. Carrying 1. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 111. 22 when we multiply with 5, we go to 110. Okay, so if it is 22 with 6, what will happen? 132. That also greater than this 122. Okay, so which number we can take here? It is 5. So 22 multiply, when we divide 122 divided by 22, we will get 5. Then 5 into 22, 110. Okay, then subtract 2 minus 0 2, 2 minus 1 1. Then bring down 4. Next digit we want to bring down, it is 4. 124 divided by 22. From this multiplication we can find out what will be the answer. 22 into 5 we got 110. 22 into 6, 132. So here also which number you will take? 5. So 5 into 22, 110. Then subtract 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, that is the remainder. So some digits will be interchanged. Okay, so we can take that numbers nearest to, first we can round the number to nearest 10. After that we find out an approximated answer, and using that approximated answer we can find out the actual answer, and we can check our division. Okay, our division we can check using the that is equation. Which equation we learned to check the division is correct or not? First multiply the quotient with the divisor, that is quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, when we do this calculation, what answer we will get? Its answer will be the same number as the dividend. Okay, dividend. So first we can check is it correct or not. Quotient here, quotient we got 355. 355 when we multiply with the divisor 22, what will be the answer? 2 into 5, 10, carrying 1. 2 into 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Again carrying 1. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Next 2 into 5, 10, 0, carrying 1. 2 into 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Again carrying 1. 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Add this 0, 1 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 7. Okay, after that quotient multiplied with the divisor. After that add which the remainder. Which is the remainder we got here? 14. Okay, then we add this 14, 4 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 8, 7. So this number you look, this is our dividend. So our division is correct. This type we can check our division is correct or not. Okay, thank you.